the main way that we're finding our clients and organizations we are working with are interacting with their athletes is using dashboards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly load this Athlete Insights dashboard where we're pulling some data from a few different locations. And what I want to do is just talk through the structure of it and focusing on the simplicity of it for the athlete. And then also some of the potential options that you can add to these types of dashboards. So what you'll see here, we've got a very basic layout. We're using what we call tiles to provide most of the feedback in this particular view. We've taken out, in this example, any longitudinal graphs or anything like that might initially distract from that actionable information, but it is something that you can add down the line. As you can see, we've just got a current status option. So that could actually come from either your ATCs, doctors, strength conditioning coaches. If you've been communicating with an athlete and you're saying, yep, currently they're available to train. The other option for that particular value is you could just have a question in your wellness questionnaire which says, are you available to train at the moment, or are you injured, or something like that. That can dictate the status that appears and the colors that you're getting there. The next one you'll see is mood. So there's a couple of features here that I want you to kind of look at and see if they might be useful in your environment. The use of color. So I know that in some instances, red can be quite a negative thing for people. So you might want to choose maybe a slightly different color, an orange or something along those lines. But the color itself is the indicator. So even if the athlete maybe doesn't necessarily understand exactly what it is, they can understand that that's a flag for them to act on. The use of the word declined there. So instead of saying bad or poor or something like that, it's just using the term decline. So it's decline from their normal state. And that typically indicates that they've gone down, but also it's something they can bring back if they do the right things. And then underneath, what we've done is to add a little bit of value to that. And this is, again, giving an actionable insight to an athlete, is giving them some feedback. So you can see simply there it says, and these are just generic ones. So it's up to you how you write these, but your mood is low. Remember that sunlight can dramatically improve mood. Try and get out in the sun, especially in the morning. So that's just a very basic piece of feedback. It's an actionable feedback point, and then the athlete will hopefully take that advice and do something with it.